inside, like pink and green and white, the color of my dreams.